The trumpet sounds again. The people awake, the hour is here. We do not retreat, our hearts do not fear. The Lord calls us to battle today.
Among the mountains it resounds. Faith is kindled anew today. Victory lies not in the sword. The Lord fights for us.
Lift your eyes to the heavens. He prepares the way before you. Look no longer at fear, for God comes with us.
The Lord goes before us. Who could stand against us? The darkness retreats, for your light shines forth. We lift up your name. Victory comes only from you. With one heart, with one voice, we cry. Deborah's word gave hope. Faith blazed in Barak's heart. It was not human strength that carried them, but the living God.
When the clouds gathered, the Lord opened the heavens. The rivers flood swept away the power of the enemy. Numbers do not decide it, not strength or weapons. Whoever trusts in the Lord today.
The Lord goes before us. Who could stand against us? The darkness retreats, for your light shines forth. We lift up your name. Victory comes only from you. With one heart, with one voice, we cry.
The Lord is victorious forever. We are not afraid, we do not retreat. The shield of faith leads us. Your word is our life. Your name is our victory. We are not afraid, we do not retreat. You are with us on every path. Your strength lifts us up and leads us to eternal victory.